Hello everybody, thanks for watching Drywall Repairman. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. And if you subscribe, thank you for watching these videos. Today we're just doing a simple video on a drywall repair from a doorknob. These are common issues in most homes. I probably do at least one or two of these jobs a week. Simple, small patch. It's not a hard patch to do, but if you live in a home, especially with kids, you might have to do this at least once in your home ownership lifetime. What causes these repairs is from kids opening and slamming doors. There is a door stop behind these doors, but it's a spring door stop. These spring door stops are cheap. They spring load, so if you do slam the door, it's really quick. The spring will fail. So I always recommend after you fix this drywall, replace your spring door stops with a more expensive type door stop. There's other type of door stops that actually stick to the wall where the door handle hits. Those ones are pretty strong. And there's just other ones. Just the spring, cheap spring ones, they always fail. So this is what happens, and you're going to have to fix a big old patch on your wall when the door gets opened up too aggressively and hits the wall. I basically did a step process on here. If you want to read along, it's pretty easy. Follow along. You always just cut out the area, the patch, cut it out nice and square. I use a level T-square. Even on this video, I'll show you I use a straight edge from my 6-inch drywall knife. Just straight edge. You just got to pencil out the area. We're cutting out a square patch. Nice and square. It's easy to do nice square cutouts. You can cut out the area using a razor blade or a keyhole saw. I always prefer a razor blade method over a keyhole saw on these small cutouts. A keyhole saw is very aggressive. It wants to tear and chew through the sheetrock. So something this small, just a simple razor, scoring the drywall, snapping it will give you a nice clean cutout. Go ahead and get the area cut out. Install some framing. If you can cut back from stud to stud, that'd be a big patch, almost a 2-foot by 2-foot patch. We only need to cut out what's damaged. So just cut out the area. If you're able to, go halfway on the original stud. If not, then you're going to have to add backing. I always use these 1x2s. I carry a lot of these on hand. They're easy to go to, perfect for patches. Add screws on each side of your backing. Original framing, if you're close to it, go ahead and put a screw or two in that. That tightens up the area. Install your sheetrock. Tape it. I always use fiberglass mesh tape. So sheetrock, fiberglass tape, then you can turn around first coat. Once you're ready to get it first coated, let your first coat set up. I use quick set muds so they set up faster. Then I slick out my quick set muds. If you're not comfortable using hot muds, always use a joint compound. Joint compounds have to dry overnight, but if you do make a mistake mudding with a joint compound, at least you can sand away your mistakes. After this process, then you turn around second coat, let the second coat dry, or set up, slick it out, or sand it, and then turn around and texture. Let your texture dry for 24 hours. Turn around and sand the texture with 150 grit sandpaper, primer, and paint. If you're not comfortable doing the type of texture you have on your job, at least you can get these patches sealed up. First coat, second coat. You could even do a tight third coat, skim coat, so you'd have a smooth patch on the wall. Every area has different textures. This job here that I'm doing is called a skip trowel. This is a common texture in newer homes, but the coating process is the same. It doesn't matter what the texture is. The texture is just a cosmetic design finish. But go ahead and get these patches done. I hope these videos are helpful. You can just go ahead and watch and learn all my videos. Put step process here. It's pretty much the same process, patchwork. Same process for a 1-inch hole to a 2-foot patch. It's pretty much the same process. So you can follow along these videos, watch and see how to fix the patches. If you're not comfortable doing it yourself, sometimes by the time you go out and buy all the tools, learn how to do the materials and all that, sometimes it's easier just to hire a professional and be done with it. But if you're a do-it-yourselfer type person, that's what these videos are for, so you can watch and see how I do. I am a licensed drywaller. I do work in the field, so this is what I do. These small jobs like this, in and out. Like I said, if you're not comfortable doing it, always hire a professional. Hey, and like I said before, thank you for subscribing to my channel. We're over 1,000 subscribers now, so I'm going to make more videos. I work in the field, so I'll create videos when I can. Very busy, so I do what I can, and I hope you enjoy these videos, and I hope they're helpful. Hey, thank you.